What's going on, guys? Jeff here. I just want to do a quick video here to show how you can utilize Keepa to find products on Amazon to then sell back on Amazon. Um, Keepa has a lot of different features and tools. You can't really source OA. Well, can't really source anything on Amazon, in my opinion, without utilizing Keepa and reading the different Keepa charts. But you have a lot of other tabs. Ultimately, you should have the Keepa extension and utilize that to analyze it right on the Amazon page. But from this perspective, you can go to the Keepa website and you go to the Deals tab, and you can look for items that have momentary drops in prices on Amazon that you can buy at a low price and then flip, for a profit when the price recovers. So you can usually, I play around with, the features right now. Let's see, I have it set. I'm looking for obviously only new items. I'm looking for just an item that dropped and has dropped at least 50% in the past day. I have this set to a drop of $20 and price range items got to be over $12 and max rank of 100K. Those are pretty tight settings, and you can see it doesn't give a lot of items. A bunch of clothing, shoes, and you can tweak with it. Sometimes I'll do a month. The month would give you more of a slow drop. Sometimes Amazon will slowly drop prices, and I'll use that to find items as well. And other times you're looking for more, quick drops. So then just sort of flip through here and see, brand. Ultimately, I look for brands that I think we can, flip. I'm not going to flip Amazon Essentials, so I don't waste my time. Lee, we know, is, a brand that's halfway decent, so I'll take a look. And what I'm looking for is, okay, what triggered this? What's the average selling price? It's been dropping slowly. You'd probably say, 30 might be the average selling price, and 16 and the 30 is not worth our time. So I will move on and keep looking for something else that might be better. Amazon Essentials. Carhartt is a good one. This is a nice deal. But again, you're probably flipping it at $30, which, 30, paying $17.50 to flip at 30 is not going to be worth our time. But, this is Rev Seller, and you can see if I move this up to $30 and $17.50, as I said, it's not going to be making us money. So we move on from this one. Good deal if anybody wants a green Carhartt shirt here. So I avoid Amazon Essentials, as I said, but again, this one you can actually see has at least some level of potential at $35 and buying it for 14. I don't like the $30 history here, but I don't know if we're restricted on Amazon Essentials. Let's see. Yeah, we're restricted on Amazon Essentials, but there's some potential there. But again, doesn't make sense. Steer foam. All right, so these typically sell for 30 and it's selling for 24. So it's a deal, but it's not flippable. This you can see is why it set off our alert. It was at 56, it dropped to 24. Ultimately, 3P had it priced at 56. Whether that was selling is a different story. And you can see your 3Ps try to sell this for third-party sellers. You try to sell that at higher prices when Amazon's out of stock. And again, you could argue that, hey, buy this, try to sell it for $56, like this other seller is trying. Well, in this case, we're already too late. Amazon is out of stock. But you can see, medium wide, yeah. I'm going to pass on that one. We'll keep going. Let's keep going. All right. More Amazon Essentials. A lot of Amazon Essentials here. All right, so we got an Adidas one. Got some low prices I don't love, but we have 56 here, 59. We got a pretty good history here at $60. So you could argue we could sell this at $60. So let's at least bring this up and look at it a little bit more. We see Amazon is in stock at 56, 28. Sorry, you see the next price is 60. Obviously, if next price is 45, it's not going to really work too well. So let's see what happens if we could flip this for 60. So we could flip this for 60, and we're getting at 28. Boom, 15% ROI, $15 net profit, 54 percent ROI. I do not have in here. I have paying the max inventory placement fee. I do not have low inventory fees in there, nor do I have any type of inbound shipping. We ship everything with FTL, so we rarely pay more than a couple pennies a pound, FTL being a full truck, so I don't worry too much about inbound shipping, and obviously we'll get this for free shipping. So to bring it in, so from here in Keepa, again, you can see the selling history is $60. Some history 56. What happens if we have to trade it down to 56? We're still making $11 and 42% ROI. For shoes, I rarely want to go under $10 ROI or under 40%. Sorry, I keep getting these things messed up. Under $10 for net profit, and rarely want to be under 40% ROI, but this does hit it. And that seems to be history. Obviously, this, I don't love the $40 sale price there. Let's see. That obviously we don't make money there. So we hope that we don't need to sell there. There's not a lot of history here. The rank is good. It's definitely moving. You can see, Amazon's constantly going out of stock. So to me, this is a winner. What I like to do is then I like to see, okay, this is Rev Seller, and I'll look and see, okay, I want to go, I don't want the ones out of stock because obviously we're trying to source from Amazon, and I want the things under $30. So we have all of these variations. This is size 11, which is a little, maybe a little bit slower, but look, size 9 has 12 reviews in the past 30 days, according to Rev Seller, which, is moving. The rank tells it's moving. And I'm sure if we look at Keepa, holy cow, it's moving. So, this moves very well. And now this price history is not as strong at 60, but you got a nice solid price history here at 56. Look at the other sellers. You got Amazon here. Oh, Amazon is on the right, meaning they're getting low in stock. You can get it for 28, but it's probably not going to last. Probably because this is a damn good deal. $54.99. Right now it's 59, and this is good. This is a winner. That's size 9. Let's look at size 10. See if any of these have history that tell us it's bad. Again, solid history at 60. Again, there's some lower history, but some good history at 60. Again, this Keepa chart, this is moving. There's no concern. We looked at the 11, 5.5. I'm not a huge fan of that size because it's so small. Again, really good history at 58, 59 and above. Lots of out of stock. Very good. Again, don't love the 5.5, but I'll take a look at it. It doesn't look as good as me. More Amazon, less out of stock, but it's still moving. Some nice histories for $23. So, this is a winner to me. A couple things I like to do as well with Keepa. You can track it, so hey, obviously it's gonna be a winner now, but hey, I want to know anytime this comes back in stock at $30. You can let me know for the next 3 years because this guy's a winner. Another thing you can do is you can take the UPC and you can throw it in here. And also beyond that, you can do this. Just try to see, is Amazon price matching somebody that we might be able to buy this for $28 for. So let's see, shopping, see if anything jumps out here at $28. Don't see anything. At a quick glance, there it is, $28, Adidas. So they were price matching Adidas, but they're out of stock. But again, a good way you can find sources is, hey, Amazon had it on sale. Now I found somebody else. All right, cool. Any questions? Let me know.